How to change name in TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can change name in TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to change your name in TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the TikTok application here. Then after that, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. After you have done that again, just go to this option here known as edit profile. Now here you have two types of name. One is a normal display name, the other is a username. So the normal name can be changed once in every 7 days, which means like you can only be changed once every 7 days. So this is your main name. Now after you enter your name, you can tap the save option. The username can also be changed once every 30 days. So the username will be changed only once every 30 days. You can simply enter the new username that you want to use, tap the save option. That's all it takes to change your name on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.